Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So today I will show you modern walk-in closet design idea. So keep watching this video until the end, and if you're new to my channel then don't forget to subscribe it and hit the bell icon for the latest video update. If your clothes and accessories are important to you, you should take the opportunity to showcase them appropriately through walk-in closet idea. With some significant design decision, you can have your walk-in closet in which you can appreciate them. A walk-in closet is perhaps one of the elements at home that anyone would want to have. When designing walk-in closet, you have to consider various things such as its shapes and storage space available. Your organizing skill will also be put in the test. You must also ensure that certain elements are present for your walk-in closet to be not only beautiful but also functional. Paint color, lighting, displays and seating are some of the must-have. A smart storage closet idea, one of the most important walk-in closet design idea you will want to get right is the closet storage layout. Just because you have more storage space at your disposal doesn't mean you should not be maximizing every bit of space available in the closet. Using your vertical storage space to the peak of its capabilities can help the accomplish this. Incorporate extra hanging rod, closet hanging accessories, floor to ceiling shelving, and shoe racks into the closet design. Using a high quality custom closet organizer is also highly recommended. They will maximize your closet storage space best by creating a home for everything you wear and will effectively complement your home's decor. Things to consider when designing your walk-in closet idea. You need to find the right shape for your closet. Walk-in closet usually come in three shapes: L-shaped, U-shaped and straight shape. Proper storage is important. You may have a bunch of accessories or seasonal clothes that should be put away during particular part of the year. Having space specifically for these items makes it simpler to find them once you need to wear them. Also, having many drawers to your closet is an ideal approach to keep your items sorted out and free from dust. For closet shelving idea, you need to consider cabinets, hanging space and drawer to keep your space looking sleek and uncluttered. Your walk-in closet is ideal for organizing your fashion items like a star. Some way to stylish sort out your wardrobe include grouping similar items like bags in one shelf, arranging clothes based on their color, or using boxes and baskets to organize accessories. You can also utilize certain part of your walk-in closet for particular items. For example, top shelves are great for storing large items. Also, shoes can be stored on a large shelving. A contemporary walk-in closet design is the best for spotless, uncluttered space to your flawlessly. Have an unmistakable style as a top priority to keep your closet looking strong and stick with it. When thinking of closet design idea, here are some essential you should consider. White makes an excellent paint color. No other shade in the palette create a superior background in your closet for your clothes to sparkle. White looks splendid in what is otherwise a dull room and constantly make any space look fresh and new. Make a delightful and novel storage room space by utilizing creative accessories displays. Get clues from the most sizzling design boutiques to show your fashion items. You may use rack, bookcases, floating boxes, or shelves. Seats for your walk-in closet would be beneficial. For example, you can have ottoman where you can spread out outfits or sit on it as you try on your shoes. An ottoman that opens up is ideal if you need more extra space. As for the shape of your seat, you choose a round one, or you can choose narrow bench if you have a small straight one. One of the most up-to-date overhauls in the walk-in closet is vanity section. It usually has a countertop, drawer, mirror, light, and a stool or seat. Lights in the walk-in closet serve many purposes. One, they can highlight an area in your closet as a focal point. Add mood lighting, improve brightness, particularly when there are no windows. Showcase beautiful displays and highlights accessories. A walk-in closet doesn't just provide ample storage space and luxurious surroundings for your dressing area. It also lets you showcase your entire wardrobe and all of your clothing accessories. To make your wardrobe really stand out, using the right colors and lighting in your closet is crucial. Your closet colors can range from the earthy, darker look that comes with choosing more natural looking cabinets finishes to the brighter color look that's conveyed by using lighter colors for your cabinetry finishes, wall and ceilings. Perfect finishing touches. The last of our walk-in closet design idea is to choose the perfect finishing touches to complete your closet and dressing room space. This can include adding a stylish rug and charging station or easily accessible outlets from your electronic devices. A full-length mirror is another smart decision. A walk-in closet adds to value to your home, reduces bedroom clutter and allow you to pamper yourself with luxurious private dressing room space. I hope this video will help you to choose the best walk-in closet design idea for your home. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching this video.